If you've ever tried building a website from scratch, you already know how painful it is. You open up a blank page, you start thinking about design, layout, copy, and within like 10 minutes you're stuck. Not because you can't do it, but because you don't even know where to start. And this is where most people lose. Not at marketing, not at selling. At step 1, now imagine instead, you type what you want to build, and a full website shows up. Structures, sections, copy, everything. That's what CodeDesign AI does. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from My First Website. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 types of websites you can actually build with it. But more importantly, when you'd use each one in the real world, because that's what matters. Let's get into it. Before we get started, let me say this clearly. This doesn't make you a designer. It removes the hardest part of designing, starting. Because that's where most people get stuck. With this, you're not staring at a blank page anymore. You're editing something that already exists. And that's a completely different experience. Let's start with one that actually makes money, landing pages. And honestly, if you use this tool for one thing, it should probably be this. Let me give you a real situation. Say you're a coach launching a $97 workshop next week. Your offer is ready, your ads are ready, but you don't have a landing page yet. Old you message a designer, wait a few days, go back and forth, and probably pay more than you want to. New you open CodeDesign, type landing page for a beginner, fitness coaching program, and boom, you've got a full page. Headlines, benefits, testimonials, CTA. Now you just tweak the copy, swap in your images, connect your checkout, and you're live tonight. That's the difference. It's not just faster, it removes the bottleneck, because most people don't fail at selling. They fail at launching. Now imagine a different situation. You just signed your first client. Let's say it's a local gym and they say, we need a website, not next month, but this week. Now you've got 2 options. Start designing from scratch or generate a full structure in minutes. You type website for a local fitness gym. And now you've got homepage, services, about, contacts, call to actions, all properly laid out. You go in, adjust branding, swap content. And suddenly you look like you work way faster than everyone else. That's the real advantage here. Speed equals opportunity. Now, let's say that you're a video editor. You're sending emails, trying to get clients, but your portfolio looks like everyone else's. Same layout, same structure, same vibe. Now imagine instead, you generate a clean, modern portfolio in minutes. You drop in your best work, tighten your copy, and suddenly you don't look like a beginner anymore. You look like someone who charges more. That's the shift. Your work didn't change. Your presentation did. This one is big. Let's say you have an idea for a tool. Not built yet, just an idea. Now, most people go straight into building, which is a mistake. You should validate first. So instead, you generate a product website. Features, pricing, messaging. You show it to people, you run traffic to it, you see if anyone actually cares. That's how you test the idea first, without wasting weeks building something that no one wants. Now let's say that your strategy is different. You're not running ads, you want organic traffic. You want people finding you on Google. So you need a blog, but again, most people get stuck at the start. Layouts, categories, structures. Instead, you generate it. Now you've got a homepage, blog layout, content structure, and you can just focus on publishing. Because at the end of the day, the layout doesn't get you traffic. The content does. This just removes the delay. Now let's talk about selling products. Say you want to launch a store. Most people jump straight into Shopify and then get stuck designing everything. Instead, you generate the storefront first. Homepage, product sections, structure. Then connect it to Shopify or WooCommerce. Now you're not building from scratch. You're refining something that already works. And honestly, this is how you make your stock look different. Not another generic template. This is where a lot of money is made. Let's say you're a real estate agent or a consultant or any service business. You don't need a full website. You need leads, emails, contacts. So you generate a simple funnel. Now, instead of contact me, you've got get this free guide, book a call, download this resource. And that changes everything because now your website is working for you, not just sitting there. Here's something important. Templates are fine, but they're rigid. You're forcing your idea into someone else's structure. This flips that. You start with your idea and generate the structure around it. That's why it feels different. Quick advice, don't just type. Make a website. Be specific. Landing pages for a beginner fitness coach. Targeting busy professionals. That's how you get good output. Second, don't redesign everything. Just refine. And third, keep it simple. Simple wins, always. This changes one thing: speed. You go from thinking, stuck, delayed, to idea, generated, live. And that gap, that's where most people fail. So now you've seen 7 real ways to use this: landing pages, business sites, portfolios, SaaS pages, blogs, e-commerce, lead funnels. But more importantly, you've seen when you'd actually use them. If you want to try this for yourself, don't overthink it. Use the link in the description below, pick one idea from this video, and build it today. Not perfect, just live. Because you'll learn more from 30 minutes of actually building than hours of watching tutorials. And once you see it working, everything clicks. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my first website, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.